Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to use emojis inside Monopoly Go game. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Right, first thing you need to do is open up your Monopoly Go game. Alright, once your game's loaded up, click onto the three lines or the hamburger looking icon, top right hand corner of your screen, and then click on My Showroom. And then look down below and you'll see an emoji. Click onto that, and now this is where all your collected emojis will be stored at. So at the moment I've only got one because I haven't really played this game as much on this account. So to use these emojis, simply go back and play the game. Alright, I've just landed on a shutdown. So to use an emoji, just simply attack someone's board like so. And then you'll see your little avatar will appear and it's got a little smiley face. Just click onto that and then select an emoji to use. So I'm just going to use this one here, and there you go, there's that emoji. So yeah, that's it guys, how to use emojis inside Monopoly Go. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this tutorial helpful.